वो कहते हैं ना कि ज़िंदगी की खूबसूरती देखनी हो तो किसी सफ़र पे निकलो। ऐसा ही एक सफ़र हमने बनाया। इन वादियों के बीच, इन समंदरों के बीच कुछ वक्त हमने खुद को ढूंढा। Look at this amazing sky and this amazing view. And guess, sorry about that. Guess where we are? So we are in Goa. It's not that we are here for the first time, but Goa is a place where whenever you come, you feel it's a new place, because whenever I've come, I've had a very new experience. There is a story behind why we are in Goa this time. So in the month of April, we were supposed to come to Goa on a friend's bachelorette, which I missed because of some work commitments. And then her wedding got postponed because of COVID second wave. So I took this opportunity that why not come to Goa once again, because the wedding is on 2nd of December and my friend is too shy to come on camera, but I'll make sure she comes. So we thought, let's go to Goa again. So this is her second bachelorette in short. I was missing in first, but I made sure that I am in the second one. So it's just two of us who are traveling to Goa this time. So we rented this car and we got this car from the airport. This is an I-20 and we have taken it for 1200. And we'll be having this car for the entire 4 days. So, and we got this car at the airport and we'll drop this car at the airport so we can go anywhere. And the view is beautiful. And I never thought that driving on Goa road would be so easy. The roads are so nice. This is the car that we got from Rent-A-Cab. This is our hotel in South Goa where we are staying. So this is my friend. Hey camera shy person, say hi. This is the entry. This is giving you a feel of Bali, right? Let's see. Wow. This is actually beautiful. It's better than pictures. After entering, this is the reception area. Dara is doing all the signatures and I am making videos. These people are so good. They allowed us for early check-in. However, the check-in was at 1 p.m. We are going to our room. The pathway is green. This is a room tour, so we got 2 beds. Dhara is working. She has office today. Dhara, with this view, how can you work? ये सजा है सजा. With this view, how can you work? No. So this is our room. We have a TV. also. And then bathroom. And while Dhara was working, I thought, why not take a tour of the property we are staying at. So the property we are staying at is Mayfair Resort. It's in Welland, Goa, South Goa, and it has a beautiful beach connected to it. And the view, the poolside, everything about this resort is really beautiful. After the busy office girl schedule, we finally got a chance to come out. And we are where? Dhara, where are we? Fisherman's Wharf. Okay, and just show them this view. And how difficult it was to get this table. It was so difficult to get this table because this is here, look at the view from here. But we waited for 45 minutes for just this table. I think I can never get enough of Goa. Every time I come here, I see something new. Of course, it's my first time in South Goa, and I see everything is so different as compared to North Goa here. And I'm enjoying it. I thought it would be really quiet, boring, but no, it's not that. It's fun here. We are enjoying ourselves. After coming back, I planned a very small surprise for her. Bride to be. Good morning. This is our day 2 and we are going to Palolem beach right now. We wanted to see a dolphin and we have to check whether we get it or not because there was a lot of rainfall day before yesterday. So they were saying that that might be closed because we have to take a ferry and go to Butterfly Island. So we really don't know whether we're going to get that or not. But we will try. We'll try and
let's see.
Yeah, let's see. But I want to go. I want to see the dolphin. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. We were lost somewhere in a very narrow road, but we got this man. He's going to take us to the right place. I think God sent him. So we are dropping him off to Gonda Beach and he's taking us. We just got to know that dolphin sites are not available at this point of view. But we got a beach which is a Gonda, and at this place there's nobody. This is the entire beach and there is nobody out here. It's just me and Dhara. There's nobody at all. I've never seen something like this ever in Goa. But look at this. Dhara! Dhara? Dhara, I get the feeling. सुन तो. Just the two of us. कोई नहीं है और. I have no idea whether this beach is always empty or it's empty today, but there are very less people, and that is the reason I feel that this is not India because somehow beaches have people because Goa people come for beaches, but I see nobody here. We are sitting by the beach, chilling and enjoying our time. After having this wonderful beach experience, we are thinking of going to Panjim. We have heard a lot about this place and neither of us have ever been there. So we thought, why not try something new this time? Welcome to the most colorful place of India, Panjim. If I would have not come here, I would have regretted. Because look at this beautiful view, I'll show you it. You just keep walking, explore this place, and you can get some Insta-worthy picture if you're interested in. Otherwise, you can just hop from cafe to cafe, sit there, enjoy the vibe of this place, the colors, everything. Time to head to the north. Here comes beauty of the north. Finally, after a long drive, we are in North Goa right now. We checked into our hotels and I'm super hungry. So we're waiting for our food to come and then we'll go take a bath and then decide where to go. So we'll keep you updated. Right now I'm just hungry. Where's the food? It was not really hard to decide where to party in Goa because you can party anywhere in Goa. So we are here in Sink Club, Candolim. And night ended for us in the morning. We just partied. Good morning. So we woke up very late today because we were partying last night. By 12 we were able to leave our hotel and now I'm to a place where I've always come whenever I'm in Goa. That is Mendrum Beach. I don't know why I love this beach so much because this was the first beach I visited when I came to Goa and the most beautiful. It has really beautiful huts, there's a pool, there's so many other things that I'm going to show you. So let's go. So today's plan is to go to Mendrum, Morjim and just go with the flow. So our first destination is Mendrum Beach. Let's go. unbeatable beauty of this beach. And look at the weather today. It's so nice. It's not raining. It's very soothing weather. There's sun. There's no heat. It's perfect. It's perfect. And then I saw somebody chilling by the sea. Look at this doggy. He looks so cute. And then it was for time to relax and have a spa session in this beautiful property. I could not make a lot of video last night, but we went to Purple Martini and it was such a fun time there. And now we are here in Sinkarium Beach. This is our last day in Goa, and this is the view. So we're going in a restaurant to have our lunch, last lunch in Goa. A lunch view for the day. Here is the Sinkarium Beach, and we are standing at Taj property right now. How I'm gonna miss this place, I can't define in words. I wish video could have the ability of showing the feelings, because this video cannot do justice for the fun we did in Goa this time. I'm sure Dhara is going to remember this bachelorette for her lifetime, because we are taking so much memories from here. Trust me when I say that this was the best time I spent in Goa. We were just two, but we never had a feeling that we wanted someone else. It was such a fulfilling experience. And I just wish I see Goa sooner this time.